kids, we're going to read Beep Beep Go to Sleep by Todd Tarby. 3 little robots went out to bed. Time to dip your infrared. Watch your rotors round and round. Clean your shields and power down. Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are beep beep. Is something wrong? I need my coil. My sensor aches. I want more oil. Better now than rest your head. 3 little robots been back to bed. Quiet up fast, not a peep. 3 little robots are beep beep. Robots, are you still awake? Engines off, for goodness sake. No more beeping, no more talking, no more squeaking, no more squawking. No more whipping, boinking, whipping, going, squeaky, oinking, oinking. Go to sleep. Quiet at last, not a peep. Speed with the robots are beep beep. What now? You need what? Oh, bedtime story. Sound like that robots beeping, buzzing, bouncing, squeaking, squawking, whipping, boinking, whipping, roaring, even oinking, but not these robots struggle deep. They finally put their boy to sleep. Do you like the story? Give us a comment and like and subscribe. Bye. Good night, kids.